Appliance Repair community, thanks for watching the video. This is Reggie Williams with Appliance Fix Academy. This is a quick little hack on cleaning the little portholes in the stovetop. If you're getting the electric by seeing it clicking, if you check the oven to make sure it's coming on, I'll let you know you got gas. This is a quick little hack. And also look in the description for the tool I'm using for a link to buy it. And also there's a link to a free diagnostic checklist. Let's watch the rest of the video.